Outdoor lighting faces tough conditions, freezing temperatures, moisture, and thermal stress. That's why heating elements are crucial in LED luminaires. They keep lights reliable, efficient, and safe all year round. There are two main designs: electric heating and electronic structures. Electric heating uses resistive metals like nichrome to produce steady warmth. Electronic structures use semiconductors to deliver precise, rapid heat control. Here's how they compare. Electric heating is simple, cost-effective, and easy to maintain, but less precise. Electronic structures are advanced, efficient, and integrate with smart systems, though more complex and costly. Electric heating works well for gardens, parking lots, and parks durable and versatile. Electronic structures thrive in smart cities and high-tech environments, where adaptive, efficient control is key. Safety matters too. Electric heating carries some burn risk if unmanaged, while electronic structures add layers of protection from overheat control to automatic shutoff. The bottom line: electric heating gives you simplicity and reliability. Electronic structures deliver precision and energy savings. Choosing the right design means better performance, lower costs, and brighter, safer cities.